Here is how to sign up on Fields. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up on Fields. So let's start. First of all, go to your phone store and download the application. After you have downloaded the app, open it. As you open the Fields app, you'll come to a screen like this. You'll find options to join field or login. Since we are trying to sign up, tap on join field. After that, you can sign up using your email address or your Facebook account. So select the one that you want to use and then continue. After you enter your email address, it will send an email to you. So check your inbox and then continue it. Inside your inbox, it will ask you to confirm your email address. So tap on this confirm my email option. As you do that, your email address will be verified and you will be redirected to the app. Now you will have to enter some of your personal details and then finish creating your account. First of all, enter your date of birth. After that, enter your name. Then you'll have to select your gender. A total of 12 steps will be asked to you. So enter all the details as you prefer and then continue it. As you keep on answering the details, you'll have to enter your photo. So enter your best photos and then continue. After you finish entering all the details, your Field account will be successfully created. So in this way, you can sign up on Field. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.